video, you will see the process on how we collected our soil samples for our laboratory experiment 1 in the subject CE25 soil mechanics. I am Rhyss, Vicente.
I am CRISTY of PAYAPAYA.
I am JOAQUIN MANCIO.
I am JUDE JABAR.
And I am BRENT PAGARA.
And we are Group 1.
The first thing we do is to search for a location. We initially went to Hasaan, but we observed that the soil there was too wet. And because of that, we decided to transfer to Balingasag where the soil sample was more suitable for sampling.
Moving forward, the following are the tools and equipment needed for the lab experiment. For digging the soil, we have the measuring tape, shovel digging bars. For melting the paraffin wax, we have pot, paraffin wax, and clean wrap to close the gaps in the soil sample that the paraffin wax was unable to cover.
Let us now start the experiment proper. The first part in obtaining the soil sample is to dig 1 meter from the grade line using a digging bar and shovels. We already reached the 1 meter depth, so we will now carve the samples 10 by 10 by 10 and 4 by 4 by 4.
Unfortunately, we were not able to finish carving because it was already very late. So the team decided to just come back the next day.
On the next day, we then carve again the soil sample. And after carving, we have to carefully lift the soil sample to avoid breaking it. In the meantime, our group members are heating the paraffin. Once the paraffin wax has completely melted, we will carefully pour it into the soil sample, making sure that all sides are completely covered. We also added cling wrap to the soil sample to cover the gaps that were not covered well by the paraffin.
September 16, 2025, we went to soil laboratory and turned over our soil sample to Serio 1, our technician.